Okay, so again, the webcam is messed up, and it only cut off the very end. So all I have to do now is remove the seeds from inside the pickle without taking any of the skin. And since I've already done this 3 times, it's pretty hard to get some seeds out. Here we go. There it is. Okay. And now the remainder of what I must do is I will need to sketch it and do the measuring. So I apologize that the video is in 3 parts because I don't understand why the webcam is not recording it right. So I apologize.